Hey, welcome to the channel. Here in the video, we are going to talk about Nintendo Switch error code 2010-0011. The error reads, an error has occurred. If the problem persists, please refer to the Nintendo support website. Before we proceed, I want to let you know that this is my AI avatar and some of the visuals in the video are also generated using AI. However, all the information shared has been manually researched by me. The error comes when users are playing online, for example, while playing Farm Simulator 2 online. According to the research, the error is often temporary and it may be related to Wi-Fi connectivity or a pending system update. To deal with the error, the first thing we suggest is to press OK and continue. Most of the time, you can click OK and it will carry on as normal. So give this a try and see if this helps. If the error still comes, disable Wi-Fi on your Nintendo Switch, then wait a few seconds and then enable it again before testing the connection. Then check if this helps with the error. If the error persists, check if you need to update your Nintendo Switch console. If you see any pending update, then install them, then restart the console and try again. If the error continues, then we suggest you wait for some time and try again, as the issue can be server-side. At last, if nothing helps and the error continues for too long, then consider reaching out to Nintendo support for further assistance. Thanks for watching. This is all we have for the error. If this video helped, don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Have any questions or issues? Drop them in the comments below. Thank you.